Welcome back to the Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the chaos of driving a pickup truck on ice. It's thrilling, it's risky, and oh boy, things can go wrong fast. Whether you're a winter warrior or just curious, stick around to learn what not to do. New to the channel? Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more Car Updater action. Let's slide into it. Why drive on ice? Driving on ice isn't just for daredevils. It's a reality for folks in places like Alaska or Canada, where ice roads are lifelines. Think ice road truckers, hauling supplies over frozen lakes to remote towns. The 2025 Ford F-150, starting at $37,000, is a top pick for this, thanks to its 4WD and high ground clearance. But ice is unforgiving. According to the FMCSA, slippery roads contribute to 20% of large truck crashes, with 1,654 injuries reported in their 2001 to 2003 study. Pickups like the F-150 face similar risks, lose traction in your skating. So what makes ice so tricky? Let's break it down. What can go wrong? Ice is a traction killer. Even with 4WD, your truck can slide if you brake too hard or turn sharply. Take the F-150's 3.5L EcoBoost V6. It's a beast, but too much throttle on ice sends you spinning like a top. Common mishaps include fishtailing. Oversteering sends the rear sliding out. Understeer. The front tires lose grip and you plow straight ahead. Breakthroughs. Thin ice can crack, sinking your truck. In 2016, a red pickup sank in Lake of the Woods after breaking through 4-inch ice. Yikes! Weather's a factor too. Black ice, hidden under snow, is a silent trap. And if you're hauling cargo, like the F-150's 2,445-pound payload, extra weight can make slides worse. Older models, like the 2007 Chevy Silverado, lack modern traction control, upping the risk. How to drive safely on ice. Get winter tires. Michelin Xi Snow tires, $150 to $250 each. Grip better than all seasons. Go slow. Keep speeds under 20 miles per hour on ice roads. Smooth moves. Ease into turns and brakes to avoid skids. Add weight. Sandbags, $5 to $10 each. Over the rear axle, improve traction. Check ice thickness. Invest in a skid plate, $200 to $500, to protect the undercarriage if you hit rough patches. And always have recovery gear. Think tow straps, $20 to $50, or a winch, $300 to $700. Pro tip: test ice with a drill before crossing, like Gary Thompson of Tri-State Diving recommends. Is it worth the risk? 2025 F-150, with its terrain management system, is built for tough conditions, but no truck is invincible. If you're in a snowy state, upgrade to 4WD in practice in an empty lot first. Rather play it safe? Stick to plowed roads or grab a Subaru Outback, $30,000. For AWD grip, ice driving takes skill, prep, and respect for Mother Nature. Outro. That's the Icy Lowdown Car Updater fam. Ever slid a truck on ice or had a close call? Share your stories in the comments. If this vid helped, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe for more tips to keep your ride rolling. Check our last video on winter truck mods. Point to sidebar, and we'll catch you next time on Car Updater. Stay frosty. Price tag context. 2025 Ford F-150 base price, $37,000. Fully loaded Lariat, $65,000. Winter tires, $150 to $250 each. Sandbags, $5 to $10 each. Skid plate, $200 to $500. Tow straps, $20 to $50. Winch, $300 to $700. Subaru Outback, $30,000.